Hi, how are you doing? My name is Eric Ziegler with Clear Motion Glass. Here presenting at InfoComm 2026, booth C6129. And what I'm going to be presenting today is our cvLED line. So right behind me, this is what we launched with 3 years ago. This is actually diodes captured inside a glass. So this is laminated, transparent LED glass. As you can see right through the media here. As you're seeing here, there is 2 panes of glass. So you can see that we're daisy chaining those. So we can go out as far left and right as you want, or as tall vertically. This is really great if your clients want to have the wow factor. We're also into a lot of stadium projects, museums, conference rooms, corporate lobbyways. Really cool if you want to have your customer have the wow factor. So to my left and to my right, we'll start over here. This is a brand new product that we are launching this year. This is called the cvLED rAVe. As you can see, this is only going to be mesh only. So we've removed all glass to make this very portable. We've also added wheels down at the bottom. This can also be daisy chained, so we can put multiple cvLED rAVes to make it a very large display if you want to go out to the left and the right. Similar in concept with mesh only is over here on the Proton. We're also launching this. So this is actually going to be ceiling hung. As we can see, there's going to be 2 hooks on the top here. And again, there's going to be no glass. The one other product we do not have here this year is the same exact technology, but what we're doing is we're putting a self-adhesive on the face of the diode, and then we're daisy chaining the separate modules out and applying directly to glass. So all we do on the cvLED product is a transparent LED, which is going to give your clients the wow factor. So thanks, come check us out, booth C6129, or you can visit us at our website, which is www.clearmotionglass.com. Thank you.